In the desolate Yemeni desert, a team of fearless explorers embarked on a mission to unravel the mysteries surrounding the notorious Well of Hell, a foreboding 400-foot chasm shrouded in centuries-old legends. Located near the Yemen-Oman border, this well had long been feared by locals, who believed it to be a dwelling place of malevolent spirits known as jinn. Despite daunting warnings and a sinister reputation, the explorers, led by Muhammad Al-Ki of the Yemeni Caves Exploration Team, ORASA, ventured into the abyss in September 2021. The journey was not without its challenges, including the presence of unexploded ordnance from the Yemeni Civil War. However, Al-Ki became the first to descend into the well, unveiling the subterranean world untouched by human eyes. To the team's surprise, the Well of Berout was not the perilous trap of legends, but a remarkable ecosystem teeming with life. At a depth of 367 feet, they entered a 380-foot chamber bathed in natural light from above. This pristine underground realm featured breathtaking formations like stalactites and stalagmites, and was home to an array of creatures, including snakes, beetles, toads, lizards, and birds. Contrary to superstitions, the water at the well's bottom was neither poisoned nor cursed. Al-Ki even drank from it, proving its harmlessness. The expedition's findings dispelled some of the ominous rumors, but could not erase the well's enduring reputation. The legend of the Well of Berout had deep roots, originating in Islamic folklore that associated caves with malevolent entities and dark, subterranean places. Such legends serve as cultural frameworks for understanding complex topics like mental illness and trauma. This expedition shed light on the resilience of life in unexpected places and prompted questions about whether scientific exploration could ever fully dispel the enduring myths surrounding enigmatic sites like the Well of Berout. Similar legends persist globally, underscoring their enduring cultural significance. Muhammad Al-Ki, the daring explorer, examined the composition of the cavern walls, revealing two distinct rock types. He explained how water trickled down through a porous upper layer, encountering a less penetrable section before reaching the cavern's depths. This natural process had formed 4 significant waterfalls within the Well of Berout, each around 150 feet tall. Contrary to popular belief, the water at the well's base was far from the worst in the world. Al-Ki even drank it himself, confidently asserting that it was very fresh and normal. Laboratory analysis of water samples corroborated his findings. Al-Ki dispelled exaggerated tales of menacing creatures within the cave. The most threatening inhabitants were some non-aggressive snakes, which thrived in the subterranean isolation, hidden from predators while subsisting on nutrients that descended from above. The lack of light gave these snakes a translucent appearance. Additionally, the team spotted beetles, toads, lizards, and birds in various corners of the cavern. They even collected samples from animal remains, suggesting that decomposing creatures may have contributed to the eerie legends. Reports of a foul odor emanating from the cave were likely attributed to organic matter undergoing decomposition, rather than supernatural malevolence. Al-Ki's exploration demystified some of the myths surrounding the Well of Berout, revealing a thriving ecosystem and debunking claims of peril. Despite these discoveries, the well's enigmatic reputation is likely to persist, highlighting the enduring power of legends in shaping our perceptions of mysterious places. However, the team's fascination extended beyond the unique fauna inhabiting the well's depths. Upon closer inspection, they marveled at the stunning natural formations within, such as glistening stalactites and stalagmites. Additionally, clusters of blue-green cave pearls, formed from calcium deposits smoothed by the flowing water, caught their attention. After collecting soil and rock samples, the team made their ascent back to the surface, thankfully with their heads still intact. As they emerged from the cavern, they were met with a gathering crowd of locals at the cave entrance. Realizing that the cavers had returned unharmed, the curious onlookers bombarded them with questions. Al-Ki patiently shared his findings, displaying photographs and samples obtained from inside the cave. Slowly but surely, the shroud of superstition surrounding the Well of Baraut began to dissipate. He expressed the significance of their expedition, believing that they had succeeded in changing people's perceptions about at least one of these places. Although it might seem peculiar by modern standards, the atmosphere of fear surrounding the Well of Baraut had historical roots. Dr. Lehman explained that in Islamic stories, caves often portrayed as the abodes of evil spirits, creating a connection between dark, subterranean places and malevolent entities. He further elaborated on the association of jinn with ominous locations, describing them as places teeming with vermin and dread. Al-Key offered an insight into why such stories had flourished. He suggested that when people lacked knowledge about a place and couldn't access it, they tended to invent stories around it. These tales could serve various purposes, such as deterring children from venturing there or laying claim to territory in historically turbulent regions with support from tales of jinn or ghosts. While Al-Key hoped that their expedition would debunk some of the rumors, it appeared unlikely that the Well of Baraut would entirely shed its notorious reputation. Legends like these held cultural importance and persisted not only in remote locations like the Yemeni desert, but also worldwide. Dr. Ullman emphasized that these legends helped people comprehend complex subjects like mental illness and trauma, imparting a significant framework for understanding the world around them. The future of places like the Well of Baraut remained uncertain. Would scientific expeditions gradually unravel all the mysteries, leaving behind nothing more than deep caves? Or would the legends persist, even after human explorers emerged unscathed from the depths? Such deep caverns linked to the underworld have existed throughout history. In ancient Rome, for instance, there was a cave in Hierapolis considered a gateway to hell, where animals met grisly fates. Today, we understand that it was likely carbon dioxide poisoning from seismic activity, rather than a supernatural occurrence, that caused their demise. Similarly, in Turkmenistan, locals referred to another anomaly as the Gates of Hell. It's a burning gas crater located in the Kekem Desert, burning since the 1980s. While scientists have not fully explained it, brave explorers ventured into the mysterious cave in 2013 to dispel supernatural rumors. As expected, they did not find themselves trapped in the underworld. Al-Key's experience in the Well of Baraut suggests that even scientific exploration might not entirely dispel the enduring rumors clinging to such enigmatic places. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.